Happy Merry Christmas
ประมาณ
พวกโก้แบบพวกโก้มาชนั่งเลยปีชนั่งจนเด็ดมาโอเคyeah yeah yeah ลอยกันเก้เมียนมาเมียนนี่เตี้ยมาท่าว่ะเดี๋ยวท่าคเนลท่าอินชูวีโน่San Luis 1 2
with a ghost shrimp. Look, my mouth. Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully we catch some fish today. It's 12:25.
Yeah.
24.
Yeah.
Hopefully we catch some stripers.
Yeah, look the view. Look, beautiful view, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at that. My God. Hope. Right there.
Yeah.
No press, no playing, but ถ้าเตาสุดใจเรานี่ไงแบบมามองเทียบเตาอ่ะบงเพลียงแบบโอ้ดาวอ่ะเพลียงให้จอเทียบเพลียงให้จอเทียบ
Con tích ấy nó sao làm trong bạc làm
Yeah.
mất cái đạt
อันนี้ครัวเมืองได้เลยแบบน้องเนี่ยเลี้ยงให้จอคลังได้เลยบ้านติ๊กเต้าสุยไตรอ่ะจำอ้อยบองโอนมือเถิดอ้อยเวียจิตกะลามองให้เต่าเลี้ยงโมคลังเตะอันนี้คือตุกคือเล็กอันนี้เนาะคือผมเอาไปตึกโคลนี่โคลนี่คือคือทำไมแกไม่จังเอาตึกให้ดะไปเลยผมเอาไปตึกอันนั้นแบบโอ้อันนี้อัดธรรมดาเลยไงนะแต่มาไฮเวย์ฟรีเวย์เราเลยนั่งแบบเคยลานรถไฟปล่อยแบบFreeway 41เรียงคลังเต้นว่ะโอเคบ่าวสมอคนจูบเนี่ยไกลสตุยไตรมามองเตี้ยโอเคบ๊ายบายพวกโก้บัดพวกโก้มาชนั่งเลยปีชนั่งจนอันนี้กับพวกเนี่ยมันคล้ายไหมพวกตั้งอ้อเนี่ยขนาดบาดขนาดกับพวกโก้เนี่ย
มักก็ถ้าเกิดเมียนะเนี่ย
ตึกลุ่อันนี้ไงประหกแบบขณะเมียนประหกแบบขยมตึกวิ่งแบบตึกวิ่งแซ่บเด้อดิใครอยากกินเนี่ยมากินรถเด้อเคยฟิงเกอร์เลยนี่แบบแซ่บเด้อคอยนี่ของดีมีน้อยนะครับมีน้อยน่ะอันนี้แกเอาไอ้อันนี้ไทยจะเอาไอ้
ผักแดงหอม
อะไรผักกีตู้เหรอผักไอ้จัง
เนี่ย
อ้าวใครรู้บอกผมหน่อยผมไม่รู้ผักอะไรผมรู้แต่ผักกะเตี๋ยวอันนี้นำเงาแบบไตรมันไตรเมืองสวัสดิ์แบบเมืองสวัสดิ์นำเงาไอ้ไทยเขาเรียกอะไรฮะไทยอันนี้เขาเรียกอะไรไทย
ไหน
นี่เนี่ยซุปเนี่ย
อันนี้ต้ม
ผัดลักนะ
ต้มอันนั้นต้ม
ใส่แก
ต้มใส่กุ้ง
ผมไม่รู้ครับอันนี้เขาเรียกว่าไก่ต้มไก่ต้มอะไรไก่ต้มใส่บังนาวอะไร
พิโก้บางนาว
พิโก้บางนาวผมไม่รู้คนไทยเขาเรียกอะไร เนี่ยคนไทยหมดเลยเนี่ย
ซาวซุป
แต่
ซาวซุปเลยเลย
แต่หน้าไม่ยิ้มเลยนะคนไทย กินได้กินเอาเลยเดี๋ยวผมจะชาคนเดียวผม
อะไร
มา
ซาวซุปแกงส้มผมส้ม
อันนี้เขาเรียกอะไรตะกิล่าเหรอ
Mm-hmm.
no not ตะกิล่า
Yeah.
เนี่ยพี่อะ
เคย
Villa. Yeah.
โอเค Happy Merry Christmas
Here.
ขอบใจและขอบคุณด้วย โอ้ยรู้แล้วใบโหัวระพาครับใบโหัวระพานี่ใบโหัวระพาครับอันนี้โหัวระพาหัวระพาแดงครับ ไม่ใช่ขาวรู้แล้ว
หมูเสือ
อันนี้ใบผีเสือนะ ใบหัวเสือครับ ลาบดิบลาบสุกก็กินได้นะครับ อันเนี้ยโอ้ยอีกแล้วครับบอระเพ็ดครับบอระเพ็ด
เป็ด
ปิดอะไร
เป็ดคู่กับ
โอ้ขัวเป็ดครับขัวเป็ดเป็ดน้ำครับเป็ดป่าครับ
ปลา
ผมขัวเมื่อวานวันนี้ต้องกิน โอเคHappy Merry Christmas
ไปกันเด้อ
Happy Merry Christmas Happy Merry Christmas โอนมาบ๊ายบายสมากุนบ้าเดี๋ยวนี้ฝนกำลังตกครับฝนกำลังตกอยู่แคลิฟอร์เนียเฟรชโนครับฝนกำลังตกฝนตกมาต้องไถนาดำนาดำงานจะหนักแค่ไหนทำทุกวันแต่เช้าเย็นทำโธ่เอ้ยเวรกรรมไม่ทำก็ไม่มีกินโอ้ดูจะตาวาสนาเราเกิดมาจนบัดเขาไว้บ๊ายบายครับบ๊ายบาย
Bye.
ร้องมันร้องหนักนะไม่ใช่ร้องเบา
Hello everyone. On the way to Mendota.
ๆ Fishing Canal ได้
Fishing Canal.
กระโปรงโรงปรึกมันเพลียงคลังปรึกมันเรานี่ชอบเรียงเพลียงองประจันตนาเตาโรสตุยไตรเนี่ยคลาเกตสตุยประกองยังอันเป็นสตุยประกองยังสตุยไตรฉลัง
The cloud is clearing up. I hope it doesn't rain again, but anyway, the sun is coming out.
โอเคจุกเนี่ยนบัง
See you fishing.
บายบาย
Okay, we're finally here at the Delta, Mendota Delta. Right here. นี่ตึกนี่
น่าเดียวเถอะ
นี่ไงน้ำปลายไอ้นมหมกนั่น
keep going
Keep going straight.
ทอดคะแนวไตรรวดปิ้งตามคะแนว
We'll see what in
ต
the
โร
water.
กันเลยนาพัม
Pump in the boat.
เด็กเอาแน่ยกนี่ San Luis.
Okay, we'll see when we get down.
เอาจะทอดเอาเตี้ยแล้วโรกันเลยสตุยไตรสันกันเลยนี่
Like pump net, like
เห็นพัมนี่สะกันเลยนี่มือ
stop murmur.
มือกันเลยนี่กิสตุยเด็ดจ้ะ
Okay, gonna try
ทอดดาวทอด
right
แจ้ง
here.
Stop. Okay, come on. Let me check.
But เลิกนะ Okay. They have a farm right here. Oh. Nice. they can fish here. We're gonna try right here, see what we're gonna get here. Nah, water. The canal.
Delta canal. Sa stui mơ sân. Tầm nó spiên nó mộc.
Yeah, they have a. We'll try here first. Okay, gonna fish right here. Okay, now guys got 3 pole. One already set up. One in the water. And 2 more.
That nuôi câu chuyện rồi.
2 more to go. Like trong sa túi. Này, gold shrimp. Bait. Gold shrimp. Yeah.
Show it next.
Này, gold shrimp no rồi. Still alive in there. You want the San Diego? Okay, that's one bait.
That's right, mate.
And what's in here? What's in this box? Box. Anchovy in there. Okay, what are you putting? Carolina rig, whatever. Okay, 3 pole. Nè, bật nè.
Mù nữa.
So what bait is that one?
Anchovy, no.
Anchovy, frozen.
Frozen.
Yeah. Okay, see what's we're gonna get.
Dog.
Good morning, good morning. We're here at the canal again. Same canal, but different side. We're gonna start off with fishing with mackerel. Same bait from last night. Yeah, last night was not biting. So we try this area here. Got 2 pole down already. Okay, first pole with the gold shrimp, and second pole with a mackerel. Okay, see if I have any luck on this side. Beautiful day, nice and sunny, no wind. Okay, getting set up again. Okay, see if we have any luck. Okay, fellows, everybody, we're gonna switch spot, go to a different area. It was not biting over here this morning, so
By 2 hours, 1 hour.
yeah, probably gonna go somewhere else. Try over there for an hour. Yep, not biting today.
Not biting this play. Not today.
But
huh?
beautiful view.
Huh?
Mountain.
Not biting right here. Have to change. Go find the place. New play.
Okay. See you at the next spot.
Bye.
Hello, hello again. We're here at San Luis Lake. The office is closed. If you want to fish, you have to walk all the way down to that area over there. It's a long way to walk. I like to walk and fish. Oh, beautiful. Looks all cloudy.
San Luis. Long time I've not been there, like almost 20 years. 20 years. I've been here like almost, yeah, Tiger 20 years now. Tiger 21 now. 20 years ago. San Luis. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye San Luis. Nè, tao nó thọt rụp oi mùi. Ok, look like look, yeah, San Luis. 1, 2, yeah.
Okay, gonna walk down, start fishing over here, walking down to the lake. It's pretty far, like probably 5-minute walk down. Runs over there. One of them. Okay. You park the car over here. Park your car and you walk down. All the way down. And then the sign says, okay, pedestrian boats keep back 500 feet from the dam. So this is the walkway down to the lake. It's a nice hike down here to the lake. Like, nice view. Yeah, they have striper here. Probably catfish. 2 striper person per person. Good size striper though. I hope it bites. We've been going to different areas. And then we're gonna try here first. Okay, see you down there. Okay, now I'm down from the top here. I walk down to the water, and now I found him. Now. It's not that cold, but there's some fishermen there. Some anglers. It was not too bad walking down, but found him. Hey, got anything yet? You just got here? Huh? Good morning. No, it's
Right now.
setting up the pole.
Baby, you have a tape measure?
Oh,
Or tape measure for discount?
no.
For tape?
No,
You know the ruler? Okay, I go over there. I go over there, Rita. Okay.
Ooh,
Hold this.
okay. Bye.
Bye bye. See you when I got some fish, okay? I can start right now.
Okay, bye.
Okay. I use goat shrimp. Yeah.
Okay.
Chop. Show them.
Let's see. He's casting the first one with a ghost shrimp. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Is it deep? The water's deep?
No, not that deep.
The water's not deep. You have to throw over there. See? Got stuck in the rock. Oh! No good. Look at you, got everything on your back. No, let's chop saving. Chop away, chop down tomorrow. Okay. Try again. Okay. Cúp the canal mà đằng. Let's try the other side of the lake. Switch around. Okay, what are you using?
Here. Soybean.
Sardine. Sardine. Okay.
Trina.
Yeah.
Soybean. Tinh mua LA. Okay, cảm ơn.
Okay.
Almost 2 hours, no fish bite yet. Man, come on, don't be skunk. The fish is pulled one time, but they don't stay. One time, like 2 hours. San Luis, man, the first time come. Don't be skunk. I don't want to be skunk. And the season is kind of too late for the, I think, for the striper. It's still good, but the wrong place or the wrong time. I don't know. I put 2 poles right there. And another pole down there. And another pole down there. See another pole down there. I put 3 poles down, 1 for my girl, 2 for me. Now she go up there, try to move the car to parking closer. Beautiful day. It's not that cold right now. No bite. Come on, man. I don't want to be skunk to go home. We at least got 1 fish or 2. Had to be 4 limit. 2 people, 4 fish. Had to be 18 in 18 in to keep this lake. San Luis. San Lu. Lake San Lu, I think. Oh man, come on. The water very shallow, clean. There's a dam right there, people fishing in the dam. And right there, let me zoom for you guys. Right there. Zoom again. Woo! Very close. Very close, right there, the dam. Beautiful dam right there. Oh, come on, man. Let's see gonna happen. Another hour. I'm gonna go fish catfish and Mendota canal. But for 40 minutes from here, 30 minutes from here. Let's see what can happen. I'll show you. Okay, cleaning up already. No fish today. I'm skunk here in San Luis Lake. Okay, That's it. Clean up everything. No fish. Wrong day, wrong time. Wrong month and wrong year. Wait for next year to come back again. Okay, see you. Nice view. My car up there. The dam over there. And let's go home. Go back to, not go home yet. I'm gonna go to a canal. Back to canal. Let's do it. Fish. Okay, nice view. No fish. See you next time. Bye bye.
Hello again. Okay, we just came out from San Luis Reservoir and now we're over here at San Luis Creek. It's across from the dam of San Luis. Okay, they have a creek on the other side of the dam. You could fish along here. I don't know. Look like we don't got no luck right now. Yeah, can fish right here. Still here, San Luis, but this is called San Luis Creek. Big creek though. They say they have striper, catfish, crappie, bluegill, etc. I don't know, but we haven't caught anything right now today, all day. Okay, gonna start fishing on this area. Okay, I don't see anybody right now.
The fish under the bed?
I guess so. They go down there. I don't see nobody down. Okay, try under the bridge maybe. Okay, see you down there. Okay, đào cho màu hơi nè. Đào cho màu khăn nè. Anything? Nothing? Okay. Oh, they were fishing under the bridge earlier. Yeah. All right. Setting up. Okay. Việc bán đây mày nhỉ?
It's a bite, but
Bite, but no nothing. Huh? Maybe he got something. Okay. Ôi just tụi tụi đo crom spin của bạn đây. But dương ở tụi đo spin này. Ở tụi đo spin này.
go in there by the creek, by the fence.
Okay chân.
Okay.
Đo sẽ tu chân.
Chừng mơ bán tiết á.
Tiết đấy, mu của anh bay buôn của anh này. Ọt bán tray thằng anh này. Okay.
Vô nơi mà.
Okay. You all done set up? Done setting up? We're under the bridge here. The San Luis Creek is called San Luis Creek.
152. Yeah?
The up here's Highway 33.
Oh, 33.
Yeah. So we're on the highway up on the bridge, fishing under.
Oh,
33, 52 over there. Okay, what are you using? Same bait,
50.
sardine.
And, cold shrimp.
Okay, we didn't buy bloodworm today, so maybe bloodworm worked better. Didn't have any bait. Yeah. We saw 2 anglers over there. They set up the pole. They just got here. Yeah. They're trying.
Yeah, a couple hours. Don't bite. You can move on.
Yeah, that is our last spot here. Huh? It's gonna be our last spot here. We'll see. Under the bridge. 133 bridge. It's a big creek. Big creek here. It's a lot of anglers on the other side too. Okay. See what we're gonna get here. Okay, he got a nibble. Let's see if we got any fish today. Fish right now. One bite. Finally. What kind of fish? I'm excited right now. A striper? Ah, baby striper! Woohoo! Finally, all day long, got one striper. That's a baby.
Looks so weird.
Ask them what size or no limit. Wow.
Baby striper, I'm not
Finally
skunk today.
got one.
Hey.
Go.
Get closer.
ไปโยกไม้มา Okay. Undersized, so we had to let it go. Let's see if we're gonna get a big one.
Ok, này này. Này nè, bán trái bạn. Nó món clean up ấy. Tốc tiêu với nhé. Này này, bán trái ấy. Bán mũi bật lên với bạn ơi. Too big. Come more long 6-7 hours. Rồi bán tray. Okay. Start clean up. Go back to San Diego. 7 hours. Driving tonight. Bên mô tăng chất mô stui tray ngay này. Mô lên hay mô mơ cả lành. Sai. Next summer. Come and get it. Oh my God. That friend came from what? Masset, huh? Masset? 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 I record you to my YouTuber.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm from Merced.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
What's
you
your
too.
name?
Pal.
Kang. Kang.
Pal, nice.
Yeah.
Hopefully we catch some fish today. It's 12:25, 24.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hopefully we catch some stripers.
Yeah. Look at the view. Look, beautiful view, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. My God. Hope. Right there.
Yeah. Met a friend from Fresno. I'm
Yeah.
from Merced.
I'm Cambodian.
I'm Pal. I'm Mong.
Mong, yeah.
So we'll see
Yeah.
if we catch any striper
Hell
at
yeah.
San Luis
Okay.
Reservoir.
Let me see. When you pull out, let me know, okay? I gotta record you. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. See what happened? Wow. They're gonna stay to midnight. I try to stay to midnight. Hell yeah. Okay. My wife gonna sleep in the car. I gonna stay at midnight. And early, I gonna say, oh, I gonna go home early. But 3 guys here came from a set. Look at that. Gotta set up pole right now. Set up pole right now. Gotta set up some pole right now. Yeah. Okay, let's see gonna happen tonight. Here in Luis, San Luis. The lake up top right there. There's a dam right there under the bridge. That's a dam. We down here, San Luis Lake. Down here. Look how big the lake is. Okay, see you around. Stay a little bit more.